Hello viewers, welcome again to my channel. This is Dr.Concillia Ondiek. Thank you very much for your subscription, your views, your likes and your shares in my last video. I'm very grateful for your support. In that last video, I had promised that I was going to give you nitty-gritties, step by step, of the production up to the end product of the energy-saving Jiko. But due to overwhelming support that you gave me and your requests, most of the viewers want to know what is this that I'm talking about. What is this energy-saving Jikos? How do they look like? What are they? Before they know the process. So, I've chosen to start from known to unknown. I'll present first the products, show what they are, their advantages, and then later on, I will move to show you the process of their production. So as you'll be watching the process, you already have an idea of what I'm talking about. Before I delve into the products, I will concentrate on one very important aspect of energy-saving Jiko making. That is the energy-saving Jiko insert. That is the heart and the soul of this particular product. The insert comes in three or various types. We have the Kisasa, the KCJ, the Rocket, 2-in-1, Smart, and Oven. All these products, the insert products, are the ones that come first before the energy-saving Jiko. You get the insert right, you get the energy-saving Jiko right. The reason why I'm starting with that is that I'm very passionate about the inserts. And that is what I'm doing currently to ensure that I have the best quality inserts in the market. After highlighting on the inserts, I want to move straight into the products or the different types of energy-saving Jikos that we have. We both have domestic and commercial or institutional energy-saving Jikos and stoves. I'll start by talking about the domestic products. And under the domestic product, I have several products. I'll start with the Uncladded energy-saving insert Jikos. Remember when I was talking about the inserts, I said that that is the heart and soul of this product. But among inserts, there are inserts that can be used solely without being cladded, installed, or even being clothed. Let's look at the word uncladded. What is the meaning of uncladded? Uncladded is bare or without cover. So these are the inserts that we have. You take them the way they are and you use them the way they are. And there are three types that I'll talk about. There's the 2-in-1. This one uses both firewood and charcoal. You can remove the insert. You can use part of the insert and use it for charcoal, for firewood, or insert the inside and use it as use it with charcoal. The next one is Rocket, which uses firewood, and the third one we have the Kisasa, which also uses firewood. These uncladded energy-saving inserts have several advantages, including the fact that they are all portable. You can carry from one spot to another. Even if you're cooking outside and it's raining, you just carry it, put it inside, wait for the rains to go, and you're back to your job later on. The next one is that they are very, very affordable. In fact, this is amongst the cheapest of our products. They are very economical, efficient. I've talked about the mobility. Obviously, you can move with them from one place to another. You can even take them from one home to another. And they are also very environmental friendly. Something that I should not forget to tell you about these uncladded inserts is that there are people who prefer them mobile. Some prefer them in one position. So if you want to use them in one position, what you need to do is that just get cheaply available materials like cow dung or mud, and then just install it using your own available skills. So you do not need to spend or you don't need to call us to come and install them for you. And it's good to go. The second product that I'll talk about today under the domestic product is the normal cladded energy saving Jiko. This is the most common Jiko. I'm sure all the viewers have come across or interacted with this type of Jiko. It is that normal energy saving Jiko that is all over in the markets, in homes, almost everywhere. This Jiko uses the KCJ insert. As I told you earlier, the insert is the heart and soul of all these Jikos. It comes in different types and shapes and sizes, depending on the user. You'll find a small one, a big one, a medium one. And it uses both firewood and charcoal. There are several advantages of this normal cladded energy saving Jiko, and they include the fact that it's very portable. You carry it from one spot to another. It's also very economical because it uses very little fuel, either wood or charcoal, very minimal. Then it is energy saving, of course, very efficient in terms of usage, very durable, environmental friendly, very affordable because it's you get it according to your pocket. If you want a small one to a big one, it will actually range. The range in the market will be according to what you want. And the most important part, that it is ready-made. You get it when you want it. You don't have to wait for installation and other processes. Viewers, let me now move you on to the commercial or institutional energy saving Jikos or stoves. The first one that I'll talk about is the double rocket stove with chimney. It's a beautiful Jiko. It uses the rocket insert, has a chimney for efficient air and smoke flow, reduces exposure to harmful smoke and indoor pollution. Imagine you're in an institution, let's say a school, and you're cooking and you're not using this particular product. You find the place is full of smoke. You are coughing, you are sweating, you are panting. At the same time, the bell rings and the students want to eat. So you find it's not easy. You are multitasking. You are doing so many things. Apart from fighting with the smoke, you are also supposed to cook. So this one solves that problem. Then it also has several advantages, and it uses both. Remember, it uses both the firewood and the briquettes. Some of the advantages of this beautiful stove includes the fact that it's environmentally friendly. It is durable, efficient, and very user-friendly. I'll move on to the next institutional or commercial energy saving Jiko or stove. That is the double rocket stove, but this time without the chimney. That's the only difference between the first one and this one. So it still uses the same rocket insert and uses purely firewood. It's also a very beautiful stove. It has several advantages. It's very, very efficient, affordable, economical. It is durable, environmental friendly, and very user friendly. The third type of commercial or institutional energy saving Jiko or stove is the triple rocket stove with chimney. This comes with 3 chimneys. It uses firewood and charcoal, and it's really ideal for all institutions. Any viewer here who works with an institution or needs this energy saving Jiko, this is the right product for you. It has several advantages. It is economical, very economical. It is user friendly, durable. It reduces exposure to harmful smoke and indoor pollution, just as explained in the previous one. So many workers or cooks or whoever is handling they normally have a big challenge whenever the normal cooking method is used. You find people coughing around the Jiko. They end up with a lot of ailments resulting from the pollution. This one can only be solved with the use of the triple rocket stove with chimney. The next one is the 3-in-1 institutional stove. This is another wonderful project. It looks nice, it's presentable, and the amazing thing about this 3-in-1 institutional stove is that it's able to contain 150, 150 liters at the same time. So as you'll be using the same fuel, you'll be able to heat 3 different containers of 100, 50 and 150 at the same time. Just imagine how easy that is. It's common. It's very good because it comes with quality stainless pans and sufurias. So you'll have, in addition to that, these 3 stainless quality pans that comes with this product. I'll go to disadvantages. It is obviously very economical. It has an effective smoke and airflow system, and very environmental friendly and durable. The next commercial stroke institutional energy saving stove or Jikos that I'll talk about is the moving all-purpose stove. This one is used for many things, and it's just one. You just have one Jikos and it has all these usages. You can use it for cooking, you can use it for baking, roasting, choma, and smoking. Imagine just one item and uses all this. It has several advantages. The first one is that it's multi-purpose. For example, if you have catering or you have catering somewhere, you just move with it. You go and you will cook, you will bake, you will roast. You can do choma as well as smoke. So it's really multi-purpose. It's also mobile and portable. And this is one item that you can even carry just on a boda, and there you are. You don't need a vehicle to carry it or move it around. It's also very economical, it's efficient, and very durable. The next one is the portable multi-purpose stove. This one uses both charcoal and firewood and has several advantages as well. It is both domestic and commercial because it's also small and you can carry it. You can use it at home, and if you have a small business, you can also move with it to that place. It has other advantages in that it is user-friendly. It is affordable. Since it's ready-made, because we don't have to come and install, you just pick it like the normal Jikos and then you go and use it. Durability is not doubted and is also very efficient. Last but not least, I want to talk about the double installed multi-purpose stove. This one is very important because during the installation we use the angle line, and that makes it very durable. It's also very affordable. It is efficient, environmental friendly, and user friendly. These are just amongst the several types of Jikos that we have. We have very many others. See you in my next video. Watch, subscribe, share, and like.